I'm going to show you one of the easiest online jobs beginners can start today. You don't need to code, you don't need to be a professional video editor, and you don't need thousands of followers. In fact, one of my first clients paid me to make videos that took less than an hour to create. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to create, where to find clients, and how to receive your first payment, even if you're starting from zero. First, install the Canva app from the Play Store, and as you open it, this page will appear. Search for 2D animation in the search bar above, and you will see many templates. Note that you don't have to create a YouTube channel or look for clients on Fiverr. Open any template and edit it a bit. Your client will tell you how to edit, what music to add, and will provide their images or name. You don't have to put in much effort yourself, just follow the client's requirements. My client was a teacher in the USA who wanted slides for students to teach multiplication. I took a small template and edited it according to the client's needs, adding pictures. In the USA, it is common for teachers to teach pre-nursery or prep students using slides. They need video editing to elaborate on things for children, and they don't have time or know how to edit. So they hire freelancers to pay for these tasks, and you have to create these small slides for money. I showed you one job, but people can also contact you for YouTube automation, birthday videos, wedding videos, or basic vlogs. When you go to the platform, I will explain how to find jobs, talk to clients, and receive payments. I am doing basic editing here just to teach you, like using elements and applying animations. After editing, download it in 1080p. You might think it is a pro feature, but you can find it easily on Facebook, regarding access. To find work and clients, go back to the Play Store and download freelancer.com. Create your account and select Earn Money Freelancing. Choose your category based on your skills, web development, video editing, or YouTube automation. There are tons of skills, and you can search for jobs related to them. To get a job, link your account and create a strong profile on LinkedIn based on your skills. Follow the steps to update your profile and write a brief description of yourself. If you don't know what to write, use ChatGPT for help. Mention your language, set your date of birth, and verify your payment method. Verifying the payment method deducts 150 to 160 rupees, but it is returned within 5 minutes. This is just for verification to ensure authenticity. There is no investment. Right now, I am live here, entering my account details. If you don't have your own account, you can use someone else's. You can create a profile in their name. Here, you must enter their debit card number, expiry date, holder name, etc. I entered these details here. About 69 rupees will be deducted, but the taxes etc. are around 100 rupees. So here, you can see above that 157 rupees of my amount has been deducted. As soon as it is deducted, all the jobs appear in front of me. And within 5 minutes, see here, the reversal message has arrived in my account that the 157 amount has been returned to you. It was only for verification. These people do not take any money from you. So, this is without investment. After verification, jobs matching your skills will appear. Use filters to select specific jobs because there are hundreds available. If your English is weak, ask ChatGPT what the client is asking for in the job description. You can even ask ChatGPT to help you apply for the job. When you find a job, you can apply using the Bid Now or Apply button once your profile is complete. Fill in all your details like address and phone number to complete the profile. Once done, you will see projects, contests, and recent jobs. Your profile shows your balance, withdrawal history, and everything else. For withdrawals, you can use Payoneer, which works in Pakistan. Money from the Freelancer app goes to Payoneer, and from there to your bank account or JazzCash. There is no scam or fraud, everything is transparent. If you want more details, let me know, and I will bring more information. Download the app, look for jobs matching your skills, and if you want to learn video editing, I have a special course for that. Build your LinkedIn profile, approach companies directly, and God will help you.